Gardens of Nothing. This story is from Ibn Kathir. Once upon a time, there was a man who owned 2 beautiful gardens. One garden had tall date palms and the other was full of juicy grapevines. Everyone was very jealous to see those beautiful fruits. The man took great care of his gardens. He spent a lot of time taking care of his 2 gardens every single day and watered his garden trees from a nearby stream. He was very happy of his hard work, and he loved showing off his gardens to his guests and told them about the different fruits he grew. But day by day, the man started to become more proud and arrogant. He forgot that it was Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that gave him these beautiful gardens. He thought that he only became successful because of his own hard work. So he was not grateful to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala at all. Then one day, when he was walking by his gardens, suddenly he heard a voice reminding him that all of his wealth and success was a gift from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. The man was shocked, but he ignored the voice, thinking it was nothing. But again, the voice repeated and said the same thing. But the man did not care. Soon after, a strong wind blew and started destroying everything in the man's garden. In just a short time, all of his success was completely gone and destroyed. All he had were gardens of nothing, and this made him extremely sad. He realized that all of this happened because he became too proud and arrogant and forgot about Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's blessings. He realized his mistake and right away asked for forgiveness from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And he promised to Allah that from then on he would do good things and always be grateful. From that point on, the man became a very good Muslim and started to follow Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's law and order. Using the money that he still had left over from his gardens, he used it to help others by building a mosque and a school for the local community. He spent the rest of his life teaching others why it is so important to be thankful to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. This story from Ibn Kathir reminds us that everything we have is a gift from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and we should always be grateful for what we have because that is what He gave us. We should always use our wealth and money for Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to help others. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala protect us from being greedy. Ameen.